So in this Adobe Lightroom tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the exposure of a picture here in Adobe Lightroom. So once you have Adobe Lightroom open up on your device, what I want you to do is slide this bottom bar all the way over until you come across an icon that says light at the bottom. So for me, it is in between auto and color at the bottom. So go ahead and press on light. And if you want to change the exposure, it's super simple. As of right now, the exposure is set at 0. So if you go ahead and press the middle little circle here on the bar, if you slide it to the right, you sort of make it more exposed by bringing the exposure up. And if you slide the bar all the way to the left, you bring the exposure down, making it darker. So you can sort of play around with it that way. Once that is confirmed, you can just go ahead and leave it. And there you go. That is how you guys can edit the exposure of a photo here in Adobe Lightroom. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.